I think that other people's critique can help hollow out a space in your work for a little bit of other people's ideas to fill. And I think that if you let someone else into your piece a little, that person can show your piece new ways to develop.
You know more about what you need to work on and what you have been improving on.
That it's not just like, oh, I like this image. It's like, I like this image because like there are reasons for why you like something, and it can apply to like anything. And for me, as a stop motion filmmaker, think about like film critics. I kind of imagine that they're going by a similar framework, and so when it comes to like a mix of between movie making and photography, how like they correlate.
Critique at Youth in Focus has shown me more about what I know about myself, that I care a lot about, you know, telling what is good about something and responding to people's emotions and lifting people up for their work. And I want for every artist to be the best artist that they can be. And so I think that this has just like reaffirmed that for me, that even through critique, you can wish the best for someone's work.